Fluffies! Today's another Coord Mashup. Let me explain you how this video will go. First of all, I will show you this new coordinates actually for the theme because I changed from last time. Then I will show all of your coordinates and they've been amazing. And then we'll pick a new coordinate, themes, like 2 new themes for this month, and then I will put the coordinate together, and at the end I will tell you all the details about the dates and everything so you can participate in this Coord Mashup. Are you ready? My name is Joelle and you're watching Fluffy Kawaii, the channel where I try to show you that everybody can be kawaii. I do 2 lolita videos a week, so please consider subscribing. So first of all, last time I did something around one of my necklaces, and after that I found this other necklace that is Kiki and Lala, and I thought that mint and pink is a little bit too easy for me in contrasting colors, but I thought that I would try something else for the start of this video, and I'm actually quite happy about this coordinate. I did this with my split wig, and I did this shorter side for Kiki and this longer side for Lala, and I did mint and pink, but half mint and half pink, and I think it's super cute. So I hope that you like it as much as I did. And now let me show you all of your amazing photos. Like always, I show you a frame and you put your photos in that, and that's amazing. Okay, so the first one is Beat, a collage from my favorite Sanrio character, Kawaii. Next is Paulina. The character is Chococat. I have no merch, so relied only on colors, but Chococat may have become my favorite because of this. And then we have Jessica. I really like this theme. It was a real challenge and it took me out of my comfort zone. I like this plush, Shushu from Show by Rock, and I was surprised to learn that it was part of Sanrio. So stroke of luck because it goes very well with the 2 contrasting colors that I have chosen. Next is Caitlin. AP Toddler box with Sanrio Little Twin Star Launch Flag backpack, all accessories from Etsy. Then we have Bella. It's a collage but not in the frame, but we can see a few accessories and the main dress, and some of the accessories have Sanrio themes. Next we have Ziffy. I tried to emulate Batsmaru shape and energy. It turned out pretty ridiculous, but I had fun. Then we have a second for a Ziffy. I thought I would be fun to channel Gudetama's color and energy too. Then it's Sarah. I didn't have many colors in my wardrobe, but I still tried to put together a little twin star coordinate with stars and unicorn theme. And then we have Montigiro. I have no Sanrio items, but Kuromi's color scheme of black and pink gave me instant inspiration. I also love any excuse to wear these Cattles 2 platform shoes. Next we have Olivia, maybe cheating a little, but I went with black and white and Kuromi. I used my Kuromi headband and pin and Hello Kitty earrings. Then we have Prince. Oops, I accidentally made 2. I had 2 Sanrio themed garments. The little twin star pants are self-made and the Hello Kitty JSK is from a shop that closed in 2010. I went for the little twin star cord and then thought why not actually make 2 matching coordinates to catch the little twin star theme. One of them was little twin star print, the other with Hello Kitty print. Contrasting colors, pink and teal. I didn't really have enough matching accessories in these colors or any shoes at all, so I improvised with these. And then the second one from Prince, the cord I actually ended up wearing. As mentioned, the pants are self-made and with the little twin star motif. The contrasting colors I went for were pink and teal. Sadly, the pants look more flat color from far away, and even the contrast between the colors are out of it. The makeup was done in the 2 contrasting colors as well, and the wig and star clips were to fit Kiki in the print. Sweet is not really my thing. I'm more of a classic sweet person, so I don't have much to go with it, and I'm sorry the accessories and shoes are a bit off. I'm actually so happy that he participated and even did 2 coordinates. That's so cool. Thank you so much. And then we have Eden. I'm also so happy. This is not limited to Lolita. You can do any J fashion or any other type of fashion if you're inspired. Why not? He said, I call it froggy fashion, and it's with Keropi again. Next we have Taylor. I'm still building my Lolita wardrobe, so I made a cord with stock photos of pieces I'm planning to get. Then we have Leia. I love the contrast of red and pink. You find the Sanrio element on my matching mask. Then Maru-chan. So many of my friends are participating now. This is so cool. I love Sanrio so much. I had to participate in this Coord Mashup. I made a black and pink cord with a bodyline dress and added a Choco Cat necklace. Bonus, I also dressed up my cat Aloha. Can we say it's my Aloha kitty? Aloha kitty. I love that. How did she or he react, the cat, to the dress up? Then we have tea and mushrooms. Not in a frame, but that's fine. Next time, if you want, I can make the frame for you if you don't know how to do that. And no comments with this. Then we have Sioban. And she said, I really like Kuromi, so I decided to build a cord around her headband. Hope the colors are contrasting enough to fit the theme. Actually, so many people picked Kuromi. That's so cool. And then we have Zoe. And she said, I don't have anything Sanrio. So she went for style of pom-pom pudding. Then we have Anais. I realized a contrast of black and pink colors on a background of Hello Kitty. Then we have Stephanie. I don't have many blouses options yet. Navy dress and gold accessories featuring pom-pom pudding and Choco Cat. And next is Michelle. Cinnamon roll featuring Angelic Pretty Stella OP. Next one is Marianne. Twinned with the adorable Tuxedo Sam in red and blue. We are both sailors at heart. So good. Then we have Darian. My cord was inspired by pom-pom pudding. The navy blue is a contrasting color for chocolate and yellow. I coordinated navy blue shoes, tights, wig, wrist cuffs. I made the dress, headdress, beret, and wrist cuff. Every time Darian creates something from scratch, that's crazy, that's so impressive. And the last one is Sierra. Choco Cat with black versus white. Classic Sweet Academia with cat ears, bowler hat, and cat eye purse. The fights are for the polka dots that Choco Cat is often paired with. This was a fun challenge. I spent so long on my makeup and it barely visible on these photos. Oh no, I'm so sorry. And the last minute entry is Astrid. Easter lockdown lunch was Hello Kitty. I coordinated Happy Garden with lavender and pastel yellow for a spring look. Okay, so that was the 25 entries for this month, and now this is time to pick 2 new themes for next month. Favorite Pokemon. This is going to be fun. Maybe I'll go with Pokemon in general rather than the favorite one. I mean, I have many favorites, so that's fine. And maybe next a color or something like that. Let's see. Green. Okay. So that works well. Every time we don't have like 2 colors, we have a theme and a color. That's perfect. And I trust me, I just do them at random. But favorite Pokemon with green, I mean, for me, Mint is green, so it will be fine. But I need to look up green Pokemon because I don't know which one I'll go for. Maybe Leafeon or something like that. We'll see what I can do. But this is it. Favorite Pokemon and green. Now let's meet you in front of my wardrobe and let's start doing this coordinate. Okay, so first I researched it a little bit. I looked up a list of all the green Pokemon, and then I also looked at Pokemon Lolita, and it's more like Lolita, like the Pokemon dressed in Lolita, and it was not really that. I remember seeing people doing that on Instagram, so I went on Instagram and tried Pokemon Lolita and Lolita Pokemon, and that gave me some ideas. Then I really thought that since my favorite Pokemon is Eevee, I thought Leafeon is cool because it's an evolution, and the main color is tan, I will say like yellow, brown, ivory, and then brown and green. So I think that I could do something with ivory, mint and chocolate, and it would work with that. And I thought maybe starting with this dress that is very simple, but then I saw another option. I want to go without any print, and I think this is perfect. I think there's only a print because it's a jacquard and you can see a little bit texture, but other than that, it already has in the dress a lot of the green and brown, and I will just need to add a blouse with that, and I think I have the perfect blouse. This actually seems easier for me this time. The only one that I have that would work is actually this, and the color works perfectly. So I think the colors are amazing. It works exactly like what I want to do. So this will be my base. Let's wear it. The wig is absolutely not working. Technically I could go with a mint wig, a chocolate wig, or a blonde wig, and I think that in this case the blonde wig will work better because the face is white like ivory, and I think it would be then cool to have chocolate and mint stuff on the hair, I think. So let me change wigs and grab a few pieces for my head. Well, like expected, this new blonde wig is my new favorite one. I'm wearing it all the time. And I was fixing my makeup, so I changed it to something less pink for this coordinate. Okay, so then the tip of the ears are mint, and then the inside is brown. So I see what I can do with clips, but I don't have that many. I really need more chocolate things. I had mini. There was things on the dress that I sold. Okay, so here's what it took so far. There's like a hoop or something in mint, and I think that might play that a little bit. And okay, my other idea was, it has very long ears, but should we do something with other ears to do like it's an animal coordinate, even if it's not the correct shape of the ears, but then it's completely hidden by this bow? Does it work? Does it not work? I think it does not really work. Okay, let's say that it works, and I have this other small brown clip here in case I need maybe in like here to make it inside. I don't know, we'll see if I need to put it somewhere else. Let's put it here now. And if I need to put it somewhere else at some point, I will remove it. Maybe here, we'll see. To be honest, I'm very underwhelmed by this head arrangement so far. There are a few, I don't know how to call that, things of green here and there. So I thought that the green necklace would be nice here. And definitely the legs, like really paws, are brown. So I thought I would do wrist cuffs in brown and also shoes in brown. Comes quite quickly. Okay, so definitely I will put it over this because this sleeve is very underwhelming. I know that it will peek out and not be exactly like this, but that's fine. Yes. Okay, and the shoes definitely I will do the boots, but what I'm not sure is the legs. Let's find out. So the legs are also, let's say, ivory. What about these? I think that's funny because the pattern on it is supposed to be gold, but it's a little bit greenish, and also it's very floral, so it would go well with the theme of Leafeon, and it would be a nice contrast with the dress. So I think it would work quite well. Is it like the easiest coordinate I've done so far? Because everything seems so straightforward and easy. That's not normal. Okay, here's a few accessories. I took the fluffy earrings and I thought that I'd do the white, but maybe I can do the mint too. Let's try both. Ideally, it would be brown, but I do not own fluffy brown earrings. That would be so cute though. I need to put that on my list. I like the mint actually, because the ears are mint. Let's do that. Okay, then I found this clip that I will add here. It's so it adds a little bit more of the white ivory on the dress. And I have 2 brown rings that will tie together more than the paws. I don't know, paws are brown. So I'm just not very convinced by this here. I think this is the best I can do actually. This is different. This is not ears like the shape, but it tells it's an animal. It's cute and fluffy, and there's this mint thing here. I don't know all my names today. And this is like the inside of the ears. Yeah, I think I like actually this coordinate. It's very quick. I did not struggle that much. Is it a trouble? Is it a problem that I did not struggle too much? But I think it's very Lolita. It's very green because the main color is mint. And it's actually an evolution of my favorite Pokemon, that is Eevee. So that's perfect. So I think this matches it. How is it this quick? I don't know. Let me know if you guys also struggle. I struggled a lot for the Sanrio one. And actually the second one that I did today, once I had the ID, Mint and Pink and Kiki and Lala, it was so quick. I did it really super quickly. So yeah, it's only the first one that I really struggled. But seeing everything that you did not really struggle at all. So it was really cool. I loved seeing all those coordinates. I think it was one of the most fun challenge to see all the different colors, and I like that so many people in different styles also did that. That was so cool. Okay, and today we have another featured patron, and this is Zoe again. Sweetie Princess in Pink on Instagram. So go check her out. She is amazing because she's a patron. She's supporting me, and I'm so glad that I can give back to her. And actually she's at a tier where we actually talk for an hour each month on Zoom, and she's amazing. She's just the sweetest person, so you should go follow her. She's really sweet. If you want to participate in this green and favorite Pokemon Coord Mashup, the deadline is May 19th, and you just have to click the link in the description. It will be fluffycoweejo.com/coord-mashup, I think, and on there you will find the frame and you can fill the frame with your coordinates, your photos, everything. It works perfectly now. You guys are so good at that, and it helps me so much in the editing, so I love it so much. So please consider doing your own coordinates, even if you don't have everything. I mean, this one is so wide. There's so many different colors and styles of Pokemon. I'm sure everyone can do that. And even if you don't have a favorite Pokemon, look up all the possible Pokemon. There's like so many, I don't even know how many, hundreds. So you will find something that is cute and that will match your style. So you should definitely participate and send it before the 19th of May. And you can also tag Coord Mashup on Instagram and I will repost it if you also tag me. And that's it. If you want to see all the other Coord Mashups and see all the very cool coordinates that everybody has done for the theme, click here. And remember, everybody can be kawaii. Bye bye!